Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. This video is basically inspired by your comments about my first mobile workshop video. Because the one thing you requested the most was, what about a rain cover? So I thought, even though I don't think I will need one, and I will talk about why that is maybe later in the video, let's make a rain cover, just in case. Okay, so I got a roll of Tyvek, and I need to look this up because I cannot remember it, but Tyvek is a brand of synthetic flash-spun high-density polyethylene fibers, and what that means is it's very hard to rip it. You might know this from FedEx envelopes or these suits, like these full body suits when you renovate. And I think I want to use this because it's very stress resistant and you can sew it, and I think you might even be able to weld it. So let's just play with this, experiment a little bit and see what we can make with it. Oof. Is this even waterproof? I just assumed it.
Yeah, let's try.
Well, okay, you gotta trust me. It is waterproof.
Okay.
This is great. Oof. I think this will be much easier to sew than fabric because it's so structured. Let's try if we can weld it somehow. Have you welded plastic together?
No, not really.
The way I imagine this is maybe you can do it with a
hot part of steel or something.
Yeah, or maybe with a soldering iron. Mm-hmm. Or with this. This is probably too warm. Oh. But interesting. You can make interesting holes. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh. Okay. So a little less heat. I don't know what it means. Almost feels like there should be some kind of glue or something. It is working a little bit though. I think with the, oh.
Wow, that's good.
That's pretty good. I think with the right temperature and the right machine, almost like these things that you can do vacuums with. Vacuum sealer.
Yeah.
Interesting. Let's try sewing. Oh my god, the yellow with the white.
So good.
It's gonna look so good. Yeah. Okay, here we go.
The only tool where you need a
handbook.
A manual.
A manual, yeah, that's true. Okay. I think something's wrong with the tension. That sounded weird. It looks a little bit strange, but it seems to hold up. And that's all I'm asking for. This looks nice, huh?
Very nice.
Okay, so the tricky thing right now is the order of operation and also how to construct it. And usually when I don't know how to do something, I try to get away with extremes. So now I will try to just construct it as simple as possible and see if that works.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Done.
think this is generous enough to cover the wooden details. Now let's try to build a skirt. A 3-sided skirt. Because we want this to be open. This is so helpful that the material stays flat. Dude, that looks good. I wonder if we should try to glue it. Okay, let's give this a second.
Geil. Fast fertig.
Fast fertig.
Jetzt nur noch zusammennähen. Geil. That's perfect.
And that was the quick and dirty solution.
Yeah.
Okay, this is great. And you know what I like?
What?
I think this is like you know how aluminum boxes, how they get prettier the more you use them and the more details they have, or like flight cases or anything that's in heavy use. Looks better when it's in. I think it's the same with this stuff.
Yes, right.
It looks a little bit boring when it's new and fresh off the...
Like new shoes.
Like new shoes.
Yeah.
You want them to be a little bit worn, and I think this will age so well.
Yes.
Okay, let's make a flap and then give it some detail, and then I think test it for a while.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo.
Was los?
The priorities have changed. We wanted to finish the cover today, but instead we need to finish the whole truck today.
What?
Yeah, because okay, I want to make a whole video about this whole trailer, but the short story is that we're shipping it to LA.
Okay.
And I will build something in LA. To be honest, I don't exactly know what. So it is very hard to build this mobile shop without knowing what I actually need it for. And we have to finish it today. But I think the good news is that this is actually interesting to what's the most essential things we need to pack. Okay, it's an apocalypse scenario. What do we bring?
We have 1 hour. Go!
Right?
Ooh.
Music.
Yeah, very important.
Okay. Magnets? Just a couple of screws.
No.
I have to.
Yeah, you said the important stuff.
Important. We have files in the toolkit. We have the drill in the toolkit. Maybe we should bring some... No, they're in the toolkit as well. Leatherman is in the toolkit. Oh, no, pens are in the toolkit.
Alright.
I think it's time to just commit.
Okay.
I mean, this whole journey will be about working with what you have. So I don't think we should bring a lot of things. And this is more like, I want to have the lights for the card. I wanted to do something with the lights so it feels a little bit like my shop here.
Sure.
If I get homesick. But the tools itself, I don't think I need too much. And this setup is so perfect.
That's great.
It's the essentials. Maybe I should bring a couple extra Leatherman and just trade for what I need.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Huh?
Ja, das ist eine Währung da.
Yeah, currency. It's so funny, this whole situation, because I feel like the last 8 years, 400 videos, was about optimizing my workflow and building the perfect shop and finding the perfect materials to work with. And now this next couple months will be about starting over again. But I weirdly feel that it's like this will be the answer to the most essential questions I've gotten in the last 400 videos. How do I build my shop? What's the most important tools to buy first, and all these things. I think I will find answers to all these questions in the next couple months. Don't think I should bring anything. Just this. Just randomly packed stuff. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Maybe I should bring 2 or 3 more aluminum cases. Ja, das passt aber.
Ja,
Das passt.
Das soll so. Gut.
2 noch.
Okay. 3 noch.
Nee, jetzt ist schon, oder?
Nein.
Passt.
Geil. Unglaublich.
Ist krass, ne?
Alter.
Ist das geil. So mache ich das. So ist noch besser. Dann kann ich mich anlehnen.
Ey, das ist so geil.
Das ist krank.
Ja, das ist gut. Kann heiß werden in LA.
Geil, perfekt. Ein bisschen neigen. So geil. Ei. Ich muss Eis verkaufen. Wie so ein Boot. Getränkehalter. Okay. think this will be my first LA project then, because this needs an adapter. But yeah, drinks here. Ich kann nicht zurück. Ich kann auch zurück. Voranlaufen.
Los jetzt! Gewicht nach vorne, komm!
Komm schon!
Juhu! Okay.
Passt?
Ja, gut aus.
Okay, last step.
Biggest Karton ever.
Wow! Grundlandung, ey.
Geil. Geil.
Perfekt. It's a couple days later. The hand truck is on its way to LA, and I wish I could talk more about what it is that I'm trying to do with it, but I can't. But I can tell you that I am super pumped because this could potentially mean better content for you, and it could mean for me to switch things up and to be able to travel more and to reinvent whatever it is we're doing here. So as soon as I can, I will tell you about it. But to be honest, part of the reason why I can't talk about it is because I haven't figured it out quite yet. But it will good. I can tell you that I haven't been as excited about this new journey in years. I haven't been that excited.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm also scared, but it will be good. It will be great, and I can't wait to share it with you. So how does it go? So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm pumped about what's to come, and I'll see you next week with a new video.